I just finished this stunning vintage Karl Griesbaum singing bird box. It is an absolutely beautiful condition. The bird is all original. Those are the original feathers, and probably the best condition original Karl Griesbaum bird that I've seen. It's the classic red and black bird. The flooring is original, the foliage is original, so is the case. The only thing I had to do to really make this pop is I did restore the two black forest berries and the black forest mushroom. So they have nice, shiny red lacquer and then the white for the mushroom. So it looks just like it would when it came off the Karl Griesbaum's line years and years ago. It's fully wound. Let's hear it play and we'll start off on pause. Nice long pause, which indicates that the bellows are in excellent condition. Wait for the pause to end and I'll switch to continuous. Oh, I gotta move this over. The bird automates flawlessly. And the bird song is also perfect, hitting all of the proper oscillating notes. Yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. And then it winds, I'm trying to get this, I don't have a tripod. It winds from the bottom. In summary, a vintage Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage in excellent condition. And if you notice, this bird also has the whiter loop feet, indicating that this is an older birdcage. Take care.